DPF and DEF Delete Kit installation in Mercedes engine. Locate the diagnostic plug inside the cabin. Splice the cable connected into pin 6 can chai and solder the blue wire from the emulator in line with it. Splice the cable connected into pin 14 can low and solder the yellow wire from the emulator in line with it. Splice the cable connected into pin 16 VCC and solder the red wire from the emulator in line with it. Splice the cable connected into pin 4/5 ground and solder the red wire from the emulator in line with it. Locate the DEF pump controller plug, which is usually located behind the DEF tank. Unplug the connector and connect it to the emulator's plug with the brown cable on pin 20 and the white cable on pin 10.